Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Jeep Liberty's oil life indicator. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off before you begin. You will need your ignition key for this simple process. This entire procedure is designed to be very quick, typically taking less than 1 minute from start to finish. It's a straightforward way to clear that change oil message after your routine maintenance. Next, insert your key into the ignition. Carefully turn the key to the RUN position. This is the point where all your dashboard lights come on, but it is crucial that the engine itself should not be running. This step prepares the vehicle's system for the reset command. Ensure the engine remains off to proceed correctly with the next instruction. Now, with the ignition in the RUN position, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 separate times. It is important to complete all 3 presses within a quick 10-second window. Make sure you push the pedal completely to the floor each time for the system to register the input correctly. This specific action sends the necessary reset signal to your vehicle's computer. To finalize the process, turn your ignition key back to the OFF position and then remove it from the ignition. Now, go ahead and start your vehicle. The change oil message should no longer appear on your dashboard display, indicating a successful reset. If it does, simply repeat these easy steps, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely for a complete and successful reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.